Yay. So I was missing those two check marks. So we're already leaving a message into 2014. This is a test 1, 2, 3. Well, you didn't hear me. And now I don't think it let that message go through because I don't have my microphone configured there. So I'm gonna do that again, but this time I'm gonna call 2015 again, and I'm gonna let that ring, and then we're gonna check. So I declined the call. It's already done in 2015, leaving a message. And then we're gonna hang up. So we hang up. Yay, we get, you see the little icon there for the voice message. That means that it is configured. So let's check again on 2015. The user 2015. We go to edit mailbox and we see one message there. So that's a nice thing too, that we have that accomplished. And this is even nicer that we had this configured here, so that we had this user guide here handy to check on our configuration. Now, always, whenever you're configuring something, the documentation is the best thing to go for.